Now we have discussed the chapter number 2 in the physics 12th subjects. So now we have to discuss about the electric potential and the capacitance. In the previous lecture we have to discuss the charges, what is the charges and how the electric field is created by the static charges. Now we have to discuss electric potentials. What are the basic definitions of the electric potential? So first we have to discuss electric potential. Electric potential. Electric potential. Suppose we have a charge. This is a charge and this is plus Q charge. And this charge, because this charge is in a static condition, hence this create a own electric field here. It means this charge create own electric field because this charge is in static condition, because this charge is in rest. If this charge is in rest, hence we say that this charge creates its own electric field because a static charge creates a electric field. After we have to see that a test charge Q naught, which is placed at infinity. It means what term of the term here the infinity is taking place. The infinity simply says that where the electric field lines is terminated of the charge of plus Q, at that point is to be known as infinite point for the Q naughts. So here we see that if this Q naught, suppose this Q naught is test charge, and this test charge is to be taken very slowly and infinitely small slowly movement of this charge is to taken from here to here, and after we have to take this charge here to here, and this Q naught is taken here to here and here to here, and we have to see that this charge creates its own electric field here. And we see that when this test charge is taken from here, this test charge is taken from here because this charge is coming in the influence of the charge of plus Q, hence this charge and this charge is same nature, hence this charge to be repulsive nature given to the forces. This is the repulsive forces which is to be applied because of this charges, and this force should be equal to electrostatic force, and this is equal to Q naught. Suppose this distance is to be taken as x divided by x square. This is electrostatic force which is acting on this Q naught charges when we taking from infinity to a point here. Simple definition says that of the electric potential. Electric potential says that when a unit quantity of positive charge is taken from infinity to a point where electric field is present, that work is known as electric potential. This is the basic definition of the electric potential. Hence V is equal to W upon Q naught. This is the simple definitions we have to see here. And V is the potential difference. W is the work done. Q naught is the test charge. So here this is the basic definitions here. The electric potential is a scalar quantity. Electric potential is a scalar quantity. Hence, the SI unit of electric potential is volt, or this is also called joule per coulomb. Both of the SI units is taking here. Electric potential is a scalar quantity and electric potential has the SI unit is volt, that is the joule per coulomb. And generally we say that electric potential is the, with sake of the simplicity, so we have to say that electric potential is generally measured in volt. And when the electric potential is measured, then the infinity is taken is the reference point, and here the potential and infinity will be 0. Potential as infinity will be 0. That is the major aspects here. So simple definition says that, and what is the concept to taking here.